In 2019, I landed my very first freelancing gig for just $25. By early 2023, I had crossed $100,000 as a part-time freelance Excel specialist. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't easy, it was absolutely worth it. In this video, I'll tell you how I did it, what worked, what didn't, and what you can learn from it. So I started freelancing in January of 2019, January 1st, 2019 to be precise. My first project was a $25 fixed price Excel job for a client located in Malaysia. It took me 20 hours to complete. That's right, 20 hours. Financially, it was a loss, but strategically, it was a win. And that's because of the 5-star review I earned upon completion. So that 5-star review gave me something that money couldn't, and that's credibility. Back then, that is back in 2019, Upwork gave 60 free connects every month. Connects, in case you don't know, are credits used to apply for gigs on the platform. I used each and every one of them every month. And I landed around a dozen or so small fixed price Excel jobs during my first few months as a freelancer. It was a small, but also a great start. Each of those gigs helped sharpen my skills, strengthen my profile, and also led to me earning the Rising Talent badge in my first few months as a freelancer. 2020 changed everything. The pandemic started, the world shut down, and my commute to my full-time day job ended. And I suddenly had many more hours to devote to freelancing. So I did. And by the end of that year, I had earned well over $20,000 on the side, freelancing part-time. In 2021, I managed to double that amount, and I made around $40,000 freelancing in 2021. I made around the same amount in 2022 as well. The secret was to stop chasing every gig and start chasing the right gigs only. Longer projects, better clients, and higher rates. I learned not only how to freelance, but also how to freelance like a business. Then came 2023. That was my breakthrough year. My day job contract ended that year, and I went full-time freelancing. I had momentum, I had referrals, and I had trust. And I finally crossed 6 figures. That's right. I made well over $100,000 freelancing in 2023 alone. That momentum continued into 2024, but by late 2024, I had already stepped into another permanent full-time day job. But freelancing never stopped, because freelancing wasn't just about the money. Freelancing gave me options, it gave me freedom, and it gave me the skills that I use up to today. If you're starting out, don't go after fast cash. Go after credibility, go after skills, and go after consistency. The money follows. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more tips on Excel, freelancing, and Upwork. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section below. I read each and every one.